Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile chatting, and today video title is guys how to erase old data in iqoo mobile, how to factory reset iqoo mobile. One by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to factory reset iqoo mobile. After on phone setting friends, scroll it and friends open your phone system setting. After on system setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, click here iqoo mobile reset option setting. After on reset option setting friends, click here Wi-Fi reset setting, mobile network setting, Bluetooth network setting. Friends, you want to reset in your device, you can reset from here. So friends, click here factory reset, erase all data. And once you want to erase all data your iqoo mobile, you want to factory reset, you can erase from here. So where this will erase all data from your phone internal storage, including your Google account, system app and data settings, download apps, music, photos, videos, everything will delete and other user data will delete. So once you want to delete all data, you want to factory reset your iqoo mobile, you can factory reset from here. Friends, click here and you can erase all data. Friends, I don't want to, you want to erase, you can erase from here. And before erase guys, first of all file transfer your data with nearby device setting. Click here and when first of all transfer your data, mobile, add download apps, photos, videos, download photos, movies, transfer. After transfer friends, you can erase all data in your device from here. And friends, before erase, first of all charge your phone at least 60 and 70%. So friends, I don't want to erase, you want to erase all data, you want to factory reset friends, click here, all data will be erased. Bye friends, thanks for watching.